Okay, Drew, we're trying this again. The photographer will be here in just 2 minutes, and this time I want to get a good shot for our Christmas cards. Can you be still for just 2 minutes?
Yes, Mom.
Mom! Drew!
Meet me at the treehouse.
Got it.
On the way.
There in a blink.
When it seems that life's a mess and nothing's going right, when it seems our worlds are upside